course is the best one to do? Is the most common question I get on daily basis when I'm doing classes or when I post a video, and in the comment section I could see so many people are asking what is the best digital marketing course you could do right now in Sri Lanka. So this video is about addressing that and give you a bit of an insight from my point of view, like what would be the best course that you should follow to get the best outcome from it. So I have been lecturing on multiple institutes, and I'm still lecturing on multiple institutes that offer digital marketing courses. So I believe I'm in a unique position to answer this question. So before you choose a course, first thing you need to understand is you as a student need to know what are you trying to get out of this course. So the biggest problem I see from the people who ask me this question is that they have no idea what they try to learn by enrolling into a course. So if you don't know what is your expectation, it's really hard me to tell you, or it's really hard you to understand what would be the best course you to enroll right now from the available courses in Sri Lanka. So this is one question that I ask from all the students when I start a course or when I started a lesson for the first time, like, what is your expectation out of it? Why you are sitting in this class? So you need to figure that out, because each and every course is unique to that institute, as well as the content of that course is curated in a way that it applies for different level of people. So if you are a beginner, the course that you need to follow would be different. If you are someone who has experience for a couple of years in digital marketing, the course that you want to follow would be different. So the first thing that you need to understand is like where you are and what are you expecting from this course and what you really need to get out of it. If you can answer that question, you would be passing the first hurdle of understanding which will be the best course for you right now. Next question you need to answer is the content of the course as well as the lecture panel. Why I'm saying that is like multiple courses are looking at how to implement a digital marketing strategy from the beginning, to some of the other courses are looking at how to do specific areas such as performance marketing, more analytical driven, etc, etc. So each and every course, as I mentioned before, has a different approach. So you need to know what are the content available on each course to understand that what applies to you. Second thing is a lecture panel. So if the institute that you're enrolling for is using experienced lecture panel that has professional experience and the practical experience in industry, from my point of view, that is always a plus point. Why I'm saying that is digital is a ever-changing, fast evolving subject. So it's not something that you could learn once and then teach to someone else. You need to be in the market, you need to be in the industry to make sure that you know what you're teaching. So if you are teaching or if you are learning from a lecture panel that has a practical experience and the content applies to what you are looking for, that would be the second question that you need to answer and before making this decision. Third point is affiliation. Like, are you doing this course just for a paper qualification, or you are doing this course to get a practical knowledge? So there are so many institutes globally that gives you different kind of qualification on digital, and some of them might not be 100% practical. It's the same on local scenario also. So if you're looking for affiliation as a main point of your expectation out of the course that you're trying to go through in Sri Lanka, you need to see what kind of affiliation these institutes has. Is it something that recognizable globally? If not, if you are mainly looking at understanding the practical point of view digital, maybe the affiliation is not something that really important to you right now. You should look at the things like the lecture panel, the content, rather than like which institute or which university is giving you the qualification from. So affiliation is another key point that you need to keep in mind before selecting institute. So lastly, what are the institutes that I know locally that provide digital based education and qualification? So these are few courses that I have been a part of, so I know that they have been providing good quality content and good knowledge for the students, so something that I could generally suggest without thinking twice. So following are the few courses that I would suggest if you are looking at a more long-term structured driven course that you want to follow. If not, if you are looking at more specialized short-term courses, we also launched something called Ignited, that we are providing more specialized training based on your own custom requirement. I have also included in this video and on the below links, which you could go and check it out.